कि मैं चाहता हूं कि हवाई जहाज में हवाई चप्पल वाले लोग दिखाएं।
It appears like PM Narendra Modi's dream of watching the journey of a Hawaii chappal wearing man to travel in a Hawaii jahaz is finally taking shape. Recently, Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia was inaugurating a daily flight between Bhubaneswar and Rourkela under the RCS Udan scheme, when he said that the number of airports in the country have increased up to 100%. He informed that there were only 74 airports in the country till 2014. However, the number at present day stands at 148. These also include heliports and water aerodromes. Scindia added that before the pandemic, there was a record established that 4,20,000 passengers travel in a single day. However, the record has been broken as now 4,50,000 passengers travel in a day. In December 2022, more than 4 lakh passengers travelled each day of the month, the Civil Aviation Minister added. Furthermore, the flight between Bhubaneswar and Rourkela will operate 7 days a week and will work as an important link between Bhubaneswar and Rourkela during the Hockey World Cup. Meanwhile, the issue of congestion in airports has been eased as efforts are being made to ensure that airport operators observe steps that will allow decongestion of airports. Earlier, Scindia had said in an interview that the civil aviation sector is making a strong V-shaped recovery. Additionally, the domestic passenger number have been encouraging and at present stand at 111 million till November 2022. Essentially, due to the value proposition that airlines and airports offer customers, there has been a greater participation and greater desire to travel by air, which is why the high numbers are being observed.
कि मैं चाहता